This video is inspired by Alyssa Ashley's video, Makeup Therapy.
I'm learning a lot about the subconscious mind. It's really running in the background. Pay attention. What's really going on beneath the surface? My self-conjured power.
Hey you, it's me, ALIcia. How are you doing? Really though, how are you doing? For real. Like for real. Because a lot of us say that we're fine when really we're not fine. Or fine is code for not okay, but we don't want to bother people with how we're feeling. And as for me, I just have been feeling not my best the past couple of days. I've been sleeping a lot lately. I've been like lethargic, just not as energetic, and just not in the mood, just in my feelings. And I just needed to force myself to get up and do something productive, because I have been wanting to release more content. And when I get into my period of a not so good time, I don't feel inspired to do much of anything. But I told myself I just need to do it. I pushed myself to get up and just do something with my hair, because I had been neglecting it. And it's been a very interesting year, and I'm sure a lot of you can say that. And a lot of you can say as well that it wasn't a terrible year for you. Some people have had a great year. Some people have had a terrible year. Some people have had an okay year. I feel like my year was just okay. I think this year overall, like in general for people, has been an eye-opener. It's revealed a lot. It's been painful as well. It's been a year of learning to adapt and learning to be resourceful as well. And so many things have transpired this year. I mean, we all know what has gone down since the beginning with this pandemic, and with Black Lives Matter, and with the police brutality, and the government and all its shenanigans, and just so many different events, and even tragic events of celebrities whose lives were lost. And it has been very, very just heartbreaking in so many ways. And if you haven't watched the movie Soul, you guys, please watch it. It had a really great message, and I really enjoyed it. And I think that's something that we all need to take that message going into the new year. And it really doesn't even have to start at the new year. I look at it as a new day, but if and when you watch the movie, you'll know what I'm talking about. But just start now, and oh my goodness, I know this is probably all over the place. I've just been like not having the energy and just sleeping more than I should, mainly because I stay up late, and I have no business staying late because I'm not doing anything productive. And I just need to really get back to really taking better care of myself. And it's not to say that I don't take care, but I've fallen off a little bit, so I need to get back on track. I need to prioritize like true rest, and by that, not staying up late, going to bed at a decent time. And I just need to do better with drinking more water and eating less sweets, and just making some changes in my diet, because I used to be pretty good at that, but lately I've just been like, I'm gonna eat whatever I want to eat. I want to make this video for y'all, and hopefully it's been therapeutic for you and encouraging in a way to just speak and talk to someone when you're feeling not at your best, or write it down somewhere, journal it. But don't allow yourself to be so consumed with your feelings, because it just gets harder each and every day the more you prolong it. So just get up, get out, and be optimistic about the future. Just because you had a bad year doesn't mean it's going to be another bad year. It's just the way that you look at things. Look at it as one day at a time, or one bad moment, you know? The storm is not going to last forever, and it will be okay. It really will. It'll be okay, y'all. I definitely have to do better at not allowing my feelings to consume me to where I'm not productive. It's so hard, but I definitely have to do better at it, and I hope you do the same. I hope that you and your family are doing well. Hope that you all are healthy, and if not, my love to you and my hugs and just so much love to you all. And I appreciate you watching this video, and I will hopefully see you in my next one. Bye.